Coleman. I'm the bartender here at Red Square in Mandalay Bay on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to learn how to build a perfect, extra dirty vodka martini. Start off by filling your shaker tin. Fill that with ice. You can use your favorite vodka. Today we're going to use Zir. It's a nice Russian vodka. It's a 2-ounce pour. And then we're going to use 1 ounce of olive juice. We're going to shake that up. And strain that into our martini glass. Garnish that with some pimento stuffed olives. And there you have how to build the perfect extra dirty vodka martini. Again, my name is Kerry Coleman. Come see me at Red Square.